Today I will show you how to export a PDF from Google document. Suppose I want to export this file as PDF. I need to click on here. You can see here share and export. Click on here. Then save as. Now select which format you want to export. I need to export PDF. So I click on this and then click on OK. Saving. This is done. Now click on download. You can see here the file is downloaded successfully. This is the file I have just downloaded. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you.